Hey guys, I get the question asked often about what's the difference, Thomas, between your guys' mega open house event and a regular open house? Well, we do things a lot differently than 99% of our competition, which is why we get a lot different results, right? So picture that we meet with you, we sit at the kitchen table, we sign paperwork, we agree to a pricing strategy that works for you, that you're thrilled to death, that if you can get, you'll be happy at the closing, a commission that's obviously fair for you and fair for us and gets the house sold. We decide on a closing date or on a listing date. We list it on a Tuesday, Wednesday in the multiple listing service, but we don't allow anybody into the property until Saturday at 12 o'clock. And picture that you have a line down your sidewalk of 120 people, families that are all waiting to get into your property. We allow them in by the family. If there's 2 people or 4 people, we'll allow them into the house. They sign in the guest book with their name, number, and email so that we can know who's in the property. And by 2 o'clock, we're shutting the door and we've got a whole list of people that just entered. But then we asked for a highest and best offer by Monday at 5 o'clock. And for example, we listed a property not too long ago. We had 12 offers and we went $75,000 over the seller's asking price. And I thought the seller was wanting a lot more than what the property and the comps were showing. It went $75,000 over. And the reason why is because of that pent up demand. When everyone's standing in line to get into something and they want it, guess what? Everybody wants it. And it causes the emotion to, you want to outbid everybody. So if you're looking for a bidding war, if you're looking to get more than you could ever imagine for your property, just give us a chance. 2 hours is all that your house will be on the market for, that you'll allow people in. I guarantee you'll have multiple offers and you're gonna love the experience. So for more information, go to highperformancerealestate.com. That's highperformancerealestate.com, and we'll see you at the closing table.